What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in a previous video over here, we hung out with Brittany from Milwaukee Tool, and she had a whole bunch of mechanics tools organized in PACKOUT, ready to go. What she let us know that these kits, so to speak, would be available for purchase in the future. You can see they were outfitted with some of the most common mechanics tools, combination wrenches. There were some ratchet sets. There were some other specialty tool sets as well. She let us know that they would indeed be available for sale. Milwaukee Tool has announced the availability for these. The majority of the SKUs will be available October 2025. It says the Master Mechanics hand tool set is offered as a full 366-piece set. Product focus sets in a 4-drawer toolbox or individual product trays. The Master Mechanics hand tool set come organized in PACKOUT drawer toolboxes, which are a part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. The 4-drawer toolboxes are impact resistant, while the 4-wheel Dolly has a 250-pound weight capacity and smooth roll wheels. Ratchets, sockets, combination wrenches, picks, pry bars, and hammers are backed by Milwaukee Tool's lifetime guarantee. All other included hand tools and PACKOUT are covered by Milwaukee's limited lifetime warranty. They're calling this the Master Mechanics hand tools set. So it looks like they're drawing that line in the sand, going after Snap-on. What do you think of Milwaukee Tool's foray into mechanics tools? Do you use their impact wrenches? Do you use their drill drivers? Do you use their ratchet sets, open-end wrenches, their combination wrenches? What do you think of this for mobile mechanics? Or do you find yourself wanting this maybe for a shop setting? We want to know. Leave it all below in the comment section. And while you're down there, you could join the notification squad by, if you're early to this video, type the word first. And if you are indeed first, you will be nominated for an illustrious title, and possibly you could win an award. You can see some of the new hand tool, master hand tool offerings are available for pre-order, and you now have the sneak peek into the cost for those items. This is product number 48229495, 366-piece Master Mechanics hand tool set with PACKOUT drawers and Dolly. You can see here 242 pieces of 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive, metric and standard ratchet and socket set with PACKOUT 4-drawer toolbox. You have 60 pieces of metric and standard combination wrench set with PACKOUT 4-drawer toolbox, and then 64-piece hand tool set with PACKOUT 4-drawer toolbox. It's all included with a PACKOUT rolling dolly. You can see here it says most versatile ultimate organization. Okay, you can see the dimensions of it: 16.3 inches deep by 48.6 inches tall, 22.2 inches wide. You're getting Milwaukee's calling them in standard and metric, the most versatile sockets, anti-roll, and wrench ready. Here's the deal. You could throw a wrench on this 4-flat socket. I really like that they don't roll away as easily as a standard round socket. I've never found an instance where it was easier to get a wrench on that socket as opposed to just putting the ratchet on it. You can see here, they're saying better access, longer life. Metric and standard. The combination wrenches, chrome-plated rust protection. They have the max bite open-end grip. It's got an I-beam handle for comfort. The ratcheting box end has a 2.5-degree arc swing, 144 ratcheting positions. Okay, ink-filled sizes for easy identification, and it's got that lifetime guarantee. If you want to protect your investment, they have the locking security bar on it, steel ball bearing slides. It's modular connectivity with all PACKOUT components. It's impact resistant. It has metal reinforced corners, and the box itself has a 50-pound capacity. Where to buy? You can use the YouTube shopping button. It's either, depending on what device you're on, whether you're watching on a tablet, computer, smart device, smartphone, your shopping button will be somewhere is the preferred way to make the purchase or make the pre-order or check pricing. You can do that, would be the fastest, easiest way for you, or you can go down to the link in the description and purchase it or make the pre-order there. Estimated ship time would be November 15th, 2025. So it's becoming available October 2025. I guess they want to make sure they set the right expectation. So if you were going to place the pre-order, expect that it's not getting to you till November 15th, okay? There's no quicker shipping. It says no air shipments. It will be freight. But the good part is, if you spend the $3,999.99 to get this all-inclusive 366-piece pack-out kit, you don't have to pay for shipping. It's coming free. It's coming free. Free shipping. All right, let's move on to the next offering. This is Milwaukee's 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive metric and standard ratchet and socket set with PACKOUT 4-drawer toolbox. This is 242 pieces. So I will assume that all 4 of those drawers are filled with sockets and such, right? So you can see here, you got 46 pieces of 1/4 inch drive, 6-point standard and deep well sockets. You have 54 3/8 drive, 6-point standard and deep well sockets. You have 1/2 inch drive, 6-point standard and deep well sockets, 44 pieces of that. 3/8 inch drive impact sockets, 27 pieces. You have 1/4 and 3/8 drive bit sockets. So those would be specialty bits, but they are 1/4 and 3/8 drive, 48 pieces of that. Then 15 pieces of 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive accessories like extensions. It looks like swivels, adapters. You have 4, it says 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive ratchets and 1/2 inch breaker bar. So it's coming with a breaker bar, pretty cool. And then 4 hooks and picks. And then 4 PACKOUT-compatible bare trays. Okay, so this is the set. This is the set. It comes with the 4 trays. And in this configuration at $1599.99, they're giving you, it comes with the box as well, okay? You could see the dimensions of it. You could see the 4 flat sides. 5 more pictures. Woo, look, mobile. He's mobile. You can see the 4-degree arc swing, 92 design, flush directional lever, stubby handle, chrome plated. Now, here's the deal. I've said that these are great for mobile mechanics, but maybe they would work as well in a shop setting. Maybe you don't need that big steel shop box anymore. I don't know. Maybe you just go PACKOUT. Maybe you have a wall of PACKOUT instead of having a giant Snap-on or even Milwaukee box or an Icon box or something like that. I don't know. Here's the next up offering. This is product number 48-229492. This is Milwaukee's metric and standard combination wrench set with PACKOUT 4-drawer toolbox, 60 pieces. So you're going to have your combination wrenches. You can see here, you're getting 15 metric combination wrenches. You're getting 15 standard. Then you're getting 15 metric with ratcheting box end. And then standard with ratcheting box end. I gotta be honest with you. I guess if you needed more torque on the box end, you didn't want to risk breaking the ratcheting box end, you would use a ratchetless. Let's move on to the next offering. This is the Milwaukee hand tool set with PACKOUT 4-drawer toolbox. This one, let's go through this. Okay, you can see, let me see, maybe you can't see. This one has 64 total pieces in it. It's got 15 screwdrivers, 14 types of pliers, 6 picks and pry bars, 2 adjustable wrenches, 22 L-style hex keys, 2 dead blow hammers, 1 utility knife, 2, so pretty much it says 2 tape measure, pen. So pretty much you get an ink saw and a tape measure, and then trays for PACKOUT drawers, and then a PACKOUT 4-drawer toolbox. That's at $1,149.99. $4,899.99 for a pre-order. That one's product number 4822-9493. Let's just say you didn't want to buy, you wanted to just organize this in your steel storage, or you already had a 4-drawer box. I guess you can buy the kits. You can buy the kits already organized in the trays with foam. You can see this is $1,499.99. This is the 242-piece set. Let's see here. So 242 pieces. That's this kit without the PACKOUT box. The PACKOUT box, with the PACKOUT box, $1599.99. Here it's $1499.99. So you're only paying $100 for the 4-drawer toolbox, is what I'm seeing. Okay, so maybe it doesn't make sense to buy it in this manner, but you can see you're getting your 242-piece breakdown is you're getting 1/4 inch drive, 6-point standard, and deep well sockets. You're getting 46 of them. 3/8, you're getting 54 pieces of that. 1/2 inch, you're getting 44 pieces of that. You're getting 27 3/8 inch drive impact sockets, 48 pieces of 1/4 and 3/8 drive bit sockets. So specialty bits on 1/4 inch or 3/8 drive. Okay. You're getting 15 pieces of 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive accessories. You're getting 4 hooks and picks. You're getting you're getting a 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchet, and you're getting a 1/2 inch breaker bar. And then you're getting 4 compatible bear trays to organize your socket set in. It's at $1499.99, so it's $100 off. They have the Milwaukee screwdriver and pry bar set with tray for PACKOUT drawers, 17 pieces. That one's at $199.99. You're looking at an 8-inch pry bar, 12-inch pry bar, demolition driver, 6-piece screwdriver kit, 4-in-1 precision multi-bit screwdriver, 6 pieces of Torx precision screwdriver, 14-in-1 ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver, PACKOUT-compatible bear tray. You're at $199.99. I gotta be honest with you. This is a cool little kit. Like, I like this kit. I like that they have the 4-in-1 precision. I like that they have the Torx precision screwdriver. Here's the Milwaukee Plier and Pick Set foam tray for PACKOUT drawers, 10 pieces. This is at $249.99. You're looking at a 6-in-1 fastback, multi-purpose wire stripper with crimper, a 6-inch comfort grip long nose pliers, needle nose. We have diagonals, 8-inch diagonal cutters. We have long reach pliers, straight, high leverage linesman's pliers, 4-piece hose pick set, and the PACKOUT compatible tray. I gotta be honest with you, I feel like you get more bang for your buck here with the dead blow hammers. This is 28 pieces. This is Milwaukee Hex Key and Hammer Set with tray for PACKOUT drawers, 28 pieces. Okay. You're getting those L-style hex keys. Standard. You're getting L-style. There's 13 of those. Then you're getting 9 pieces of metric. You're getting the 24-ounce ball peen, a tape measure, 16-foot tape measure. You have the dead blow hammer, 28-ounce. You're getting 1 ink saw. You're getting snap ring pliers, a large, snap ring pliers, a small, and then you're getting the PACKOUT compatible tray. I don't know. Like, I feel like you got more value with this 20-piece set as opposed to this 10-piece set by a large margin. But that's my opinion. Don't mean it's right, although most of the times it is. It says, do they display the total weight of the whole system? That's going to be a heavy box. Assembled weight, 174.2 pounds. 174.2 pounds on that one, just so you know. And no one's half the battle. But we want to know, what do you think about Milwaukee Tool's latest foray into automotive tools and organization? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. Hope to see you all on the next one.